Watching the rain is soothing. It's a way to really understand your environment. Which is why I come and sit out in the rain sometimes. It's nothing like sitting on your porch in the middle of a rainstorm, right? It's very soothing, in my opinion. Well, not when the cottonwood is blowing cotton around, but that also stops. Because there's no way for the cotton to move around without getting wet. And it's so quiet, and there's barely any cars. In my side of the neighborhood, anyway. It's calming to just listen to the drops hit the concrete, to hit the road. Doesn't matter what time of day it is. Sometimes just sitting out in the rain is enough to... It's enough to make you think about life. You know? And I like that. I like it a lot. So, yeah, I like listening to the rain. I like listening to the rain. Makes me feel at peace and at home. I should probably go inside soon. It's probably gonna start thundering. We're supposed to get a really bad thunderstorm. Maybe hell. Yeah.